Hi there. Want to edit, reformat, or repurpose your PDF? Convert it to Word easily with Foxit PDF Editor. Here's exactly how, step by step. This is a sample PDF. Go to the Convert tab. Expand to MS Office. Select the desired format. Specify the file name, type, and save location. Click Settings to customize the document page range, content, layout, and OCR settings. Click OK, then Save. Foxit instantly converts your PDF into a fully editable MS Word document, preserving the original formatting, layouts, images, and text quality as much as possible.